Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, you're going to learn the steps to set up the Microsoft Defender VPN service available at no extra cost for Windows 11 and 10 users with a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. In a nutshell, a VPN or virtual private network is an encrypted connection between the VPN client and the VPN server. When you connect your computer to the VPN server, your internet traffic is routed through this encrypted tunnel so that online services cannot determine your location or track your activities. It is an extra layer of security. Usually, you will purchase an additional online service, but if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can use this feature for free. Okay, let's dive into the steps to enable the Microsoft Defender VPN on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Okay, first, you're going to need to download the Microsoft Defender app. And to do that, you need to go to this website and then just click the View and Store button. And then click the Install or Get button. It is important to note not to get confused Microsoft Defender with the Windows Security app, which is a built-in tool on Windows, or the Microsoft Defender antivirus. Those are different products. This is a standalone app for Microsoft 365 subscribers that offers a dashboard to manage security of your computer and mobile devices. Once the app is installed, you can click the Open button, or you can launch the app from the Start menu. Here, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account that is associated with your Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. Click Next. We're going to skip the service and we're going to go straight to the dashboard. All right, so this is a Microsoft Defender app. And on this page, click on Privacy Protection. And then you just need to turn on the VPN toggle switch. And now the VPN service is turned on. You can see now that on your location is labeled as hidden. If you hover over, you're going to get some information that when you have the VPN turned on, your device location and IP address will be hidden to the world. And this will prevent advertisers and malicious individuals or other third parties to collect personal information and browsing data. Also, it's important to note that you only get 50 gigabytes of data using this service. Also, this data is shared between all your devices in the same account. So if you have multiple devices, you only get 50 for all the devices, not 50 for each device. However, you can still use the VPN after the 50 gigabytes of data has been reached. However, the speed is going to be reduced. You also are going to see that we have the countdown right here until the data is reset. So here's the tip. If you have multiple connections to a network, let's say you have an Ethernet connection and one using a wireless connection, it is best to disconnect the networks that you're not using and just leave the one that you're using connected, because the app is not going to let you choose in which network adapter you want to enable the VPN connection. Also, if you want to disconnect from the VPN connection, you can simply turn off the VPN toggle switch right here. However, when you go to quick settings, you're going to see that we have a new Microsoft Defender VPN connection. And to disconnect, you can click this button right here. I'm pretty sure that once I publish this video, I'm going to have more than one person asking me how is the speed on this service. So one thing I'm going to do is to turn this on, and then I'm going to open the web browser, and I'm just going to do a search for speed test, and I'm going to test the VPN connection. Now I'm going to turn off the VPN. And again, I'm going to do a search for speed test. And now we're going to test the internet connection. And that's the current internet connection speed without using the VPN. It is not the best, but if you want to add an extra layer of security when you're using a public network, I think that the speed that offers the service is more than enough. Also, it is important to note that when you're using the service, the entire computer is connected to the VPN. That means that if you use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox, or any other browser, the connection is going to be encrypted through the VPN, and any other service, anything that comes out of your computer and goes to the internet is going to go through the VPN. And finally, to confirm that we're using a VPN, I'm just going to look for my IP address, and remember that I don't have the VPN connection turned on. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you part of the IP, and this is my current IP. And then if I turn on the service, and then I'm going to go to Google again. I'm going to look for my IP address again. And now you can see that the IP has changed. If we go to Google Chrome and we also do a search for my IP address, we're going to see that it's using the VPN address. If we turn this off and if we do the same search, we once again get the original public IP address. And that's it. That is how you enable and disable the Microsoft Defender VPN on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. Also, using the Microsoft Defender app, you can access the VPN feature on macOS, iOS, and on your Android device. Finally, this feature is available for users in United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and Canada. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.